this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here to share with you today the last installment for the Christmas All Year Collaboration 2025. I cannot believe we are at the end. Oh my goodness, the year has just flown by. I decided that I'm going to host Christmas All Year 2026. So if you would like to participate for the upcoming year, all you have to do is just send me an email at scrappassion01@yahoo.com and make sure you include your YouTube channel. You must be active, which means you must have posted a video within the last 3 months. It's going to be the same for next year. It's going to be every second Sunday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and all you have to do is just come on and share a Christmas project. The whole objective for the collaboration is to get a jump start on your Christmas crafting. So when that time rolls around, you will be sipping cocoa and enjoying your family and friends, and all of your Christmas crafting will be complete. All right, you guys, so I'm going to share with you the products that I use for my project. Don't forget to like up the video if you like what I share. Also, please join my crafty YouTube family by subscribing and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. All right, you guys, let's get started. I use this die right here. This was my first time using this die. It's by Impression Obsession, and it's called Pink Stitch Sentiment Banner. And I used the smaller banner in this set, and this is what they look like. I used this stamp set. I picked this up from AliExpress some time ago, and I used the Sentiment Grinch Please. I used this die set by the Stamp Market, and this is called Classic T-Shirt, and I just used the collar piece. This is another die set by the Stamp Market. It's called Cable Knit. I use this Sizzix 3D embossing folder. This is the sweater. This is called Arch Box Large by The Greetery. This is the cardstock that I use. This is a smooth cardstock by the Stamp Market, and this is called Lipstick. And let me share with you my project. This is my cute little sweater box. I love how it turned out. I followed a tutorial by the Stamp Market, and I will link it below. She used a different type of treat bag, so I just used what I had in my stash, and I knew that I wanted to do a Grinch sweater. So I love the 3D embossing folder that I used because it gave it much more dimension and the realization of a sweater. I used this Grinch foam sticker that I had in my stash. I have Grinch Please, and I used some embossing powder, black embossing powder for that sentiment. And I kept it very, very simple. The highlight is the sweater, of course, and the Grinch. And then here on the side, you can see the arch treat box. And then here at the top, I used some of this red and white yarn to tie a little bow there. And here's the back of it. And I used that 3D embossing folder on the back. This is a cute way to package up some goodies and gift it for the holidays. Isn't that cute? And that is my project for Christmas All Year 2025. I am looking forward to Christmas All Year 2026, and I hope to have some new people to join us in that collaboration. So just make sure you send me an email again at scrappassion01@yahoo.com. That's my time for today, and until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye!